What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's solve this math question that says find the value of x for which the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 40 is equal to 10. Well, our first step will be for us to move the square root of x to the right hand side in order to isolate this. So we have the square root of x minus 40 remaining on the left hand side to be equal to, we have 10 on the right, and as the square root of x crosses to the right, it becomes minus the square root of x. Now, in order to get rid of this square root, all we have to do is just to square both sides. So we square the left hand sides, we square the right hand side as well. Now notice that this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x minus 40 to be equal to, now this right hand side is of the form a minus b all squared, which can be expanded as a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. And if we are to compare, you see that our a is this 10 here, and our b is the square root of x. So now let's expand this in this form. So we have a squared, so that's going to be 10 squared minus 2 times a times b, that is 2 times a is 10, times b is the square root of x. And then plus b squared, that is plus the square root of x squared. So this simplifies into x minus 40 to be equal to 10 squared is 100 minus 2 times 10 is 20 times the square root of x, that is 20 root x, plus, now this square can go with the square root, leaving behind x. Now notice that we have x here on the left and x here on the right, which will eventually cancel out, leaving behind negative 40 to be equal to 100 minus 20 root x. Now our next step will be for us to move this negative 20 root x to the left hand side, and we move negative 40 to the right hand side. Now let's move this first. When I move negative 20 root x to the left, it becomes positive 20 root x. And this is equal to, I've already got 100 here on the right. And when I move negative 40 to the right, it becomes plus 40. So this we have 20 root x to be equal to 100 plus 40 is 140. Now our next step will be for us to divide both sides by 20. So I'll divide the left hand side by 20. I'll also divide the right hand side by 20. Now notice that 20 can go with 20, leaving behind the square root of x to be equal to, now the right hand side, this 0 can go. Now 14 divided by 2, we have 7. Now in order to get the value of x and get rid of this square root, all we have to do is to take the square of both sides. Now taking the square of both sides, the square here cancels out the square root, leaving behind x to be equal to 7 squared is 49. Now remember, whenever we have a question where we have to remove a square root by taking the square of both sides, it is good that we always check our solution. So we're going to check our solution to see if it is correct. So let's check. Our given question is the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 40 equal to 10. Now we want to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So let's go with the left hand side. So I'm going to be solving the left hand side to see if I'm going to be having 10. So this is the square root of x x is 49, which is a perfect square, plus the square root of 49 minus 40. So this becomes the square root of 49 plus the square root of 49 minus 40 is 9, which is also a perfect square. So the square root of 49 is 7 plus the square root of 9 is 3. And when we add up 7 plus 3, we have 10, which is equal to the right-hand side. So we see that our left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, which makes the solution for x equal to 49 to be correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.